Interrupted with the Soundgoodizer audio plugin DLL blocking image line workflow? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've analyzed the conflict and I'm ready to show you the safest fix. To kick off the manual repair for Soundgoodizer audio plugin, you can also find an official toolkit designed for system-level synchronization. This is the Soundgoodizer audio plugin, the core library for the Soundgoodizer instant mastering plugin in FL Studio. It manages the real-time compression and saturation algorithms based on Maximus presets. If missing, FL Studio projects will load with missing plugin errors, and the audio design for those channels will be completely disabled. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. This error usually means a required graphics runtime file, such as Soundgoodizer audio plugin DLL, is missing. Use the official Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime installer to restore legacy DirectX libraries, followed by a GPU driver update if needed. When the primary installation path fails, a more surgical approach to checking your system's environmental variables is required. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Soundgoodizer audio plugin component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Rebooting was just the start. Now, let's apply the core fix in this third step. Feel free to pause the video if you need a second to navigate. Rebooting didn't restore the monitoring tools, so let's run a command to reset the performance indicators. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rarely suffer from physical corruption. Instead, their registration in the performance hive becomes desynced. This command purges those stale entries and rebuilds the registry links. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. The versions of Soundgoodizer audio plugin DLL found on generic download sites are often compiled for legacy hardware, which can lead to excessive CPU cycles or kernel-level crashes on modern systems. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. For long-term system reliability, the repair resource linked in the description includes information on managing Soundgoodizer audio plugin references. I hope this walkthrough provided the clarity you needed to fix Soundgoodizer audio plugin. Please like the video to support the channel and subscribe for more system-level tutorials.